Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic picture composition. You already have done picture composition in your previous class. Let's discuss what is all about it. So, what is picture composition? A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or set of pictures. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it. It should have meaningful sentences. Now we are going to discuss certain rules for writing picture composition. First rule is you have to look at the picture very carefully. You have to observe which scene is being described. It can be a scene of a garden, it can be a scene of a classroom or a birthday party. The second rule is objects. Identify the objects that are there in the picture. There must be several objects, like there must be sun, clouds, birds, trees, grass, etc. Look at the objects and write about them. Now, the third main rule is the main character. Once you have observed the objects in the picture, then you see who is the main character and what is the main character doing. For example, a girl is sitting on the bench. Here, the main character is the girl. Then, a boy is playing with the ball. The main character is a boy. The fourth main rule for writing picture composition is the use of tense. Whenever we are writing picture composition, we use helping verb, that is, am or are, which you have already done in your previous class, and ing words. Example, a boy is playing, or a boy is jumping, or the girls are sitting, the girls are dancing, or the girls are playing. One most important rule of writing the picture composition is you have to write always in a paragraph form. Paragraph form means when you have begin writing one sentence, after the full stop you will begin the next sentence after the full stop. Do not move in the next line. Begin where you end the first sentence. The sixth rule is formation of a sentence. Whenever you are framing a sentence, the following things should be kept in mind. First is, do not begin the sentence with there. For example, there are birds flying in the sky. No, this is wrong. You will write birds are flying in the sky. Then, if you want to discuss or you want to write about a female person, write woman. Or when you want to talk about male, you will write man. Do not write lady. A lady is standing. Do not write gentleman. The last and the final rule is the conclusion. That is the main part of the picture composition. Whenever you are writing the last line, it should be very impressive. It can be, the picture is beautiful. I like the picture very much. Everyone is happy in the picture. Something like this. After you have written the last line, then you have to go through the whole picture composition very carefully. Look if you have put full stop, if you have put the right punctuation marks, if there is any spelling errors, if you have written the first letter capital. Check the whole picture composition very carefully. Okay students, it's your activity time. We are going to do one picture composition together. So let's begin. First rule was to look. So when we look at this picture, what do you observe? I observe that this is a picture of a park, or you can write garden, any one word. So the first sentence will be, this is a picture of a park or a garden. The next rule was to look for the objects. Very good. Now I can see sun, I can see birds, right? So I will write the sun is shining brightly, and the next line will be the birds are flying in the sky. Now in the picture I can see ladybug, tortoise and a snail. So I will write a ladybug, a tortoise and a snail are sitting on the grass. So which is the main character? I can see a girl and a woman. So first I will write a girl is plucking flowers. Next line will be a woman is carrying, or you can write holding a baby in her hand. Now the last line, that is the conclusion of the picture composition. So everyone is looking happy in the picture. This is the last line and the concluding line of the picture composition. Now this is how your picture composition will look like. You do not have to write the final draft. You will just begin. This is a picture of a park or garden. The sun is shining brightly. The birds are flying in the sky. A ladybug, a tortoise, and a snail are sitting on the grass. A girl is plucking flowers. A woman is carrying a baby in her hand. Everyone is looking happy in the picture. This is how you are going to write your picture composition.